Hey YouTubers, welcome back to my channel. This time we're going on a road trip down to the Stoneleigh Kit Car Show and we're taking the Mustang. Let's go! For more videos like this, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on those notifications, and if you do enjoy it, give me that thumbs up, and don't forget to follow me on Fun to Drive Cars on Instagram. I'll put the link down there and you'll get sneak peeks of upcoming videos. So as I said in the intro, this time we're off to the Stoneleigh Kit Car Show. First of all, we're going to drive down to the Ferrari services and meet a couple of guys there with kit cars, and then we'll drive down in Convoy to the actual show. But before all of that, this car needs a wash, and before all of that, cold start. All clean. That Velocity blue colour really pops in this light after it's been cleaned. Let's go meet the Convoy. So we're at the first stop and I'm just meeting a couple of guys here. So there's a Ferrari replica, another 250 California replica, another 430 replica over there, and my car obviously parked behind them. We're just going to jump in the cars now. I'm going to carry on driving back down to the show. Catch you there. So just on the club stand here, which was the DNA club stand. So this is the company that made the Ferrari that I built. So if you look back on my previous videos, I've done a video of some of the things I went through to build that. There's a lot of work in building these cars and they do look pretty good. So let's take a look at some of them. So these are a Ferrari California replica, and this is based on, sorry about the noise, but they're doing like a skid thing around behind us. So these are based on the Mercedes SL series, and so you've got a cracking car underneath. This one here is based on MR2, so these are the Ferrari 430 based on the MR2. So this one is a Ferrari 250 California, and this is based on a BMW Z3 Roadster. Look at this. So all these cars here are from a company called DNA, so they used to make these Ferrari body kits. but they're previously now closed down. But the two guys from that company have now split up, and they've now created two new companies. So one of them is this company here, which is called Iconic, and what they do is take a typical Porsche Boxster and turn it into these amazing Porsche Speedsters. Take a look at these. So they're amazing, but the other guy from the same company created a company called New Dimensions, and they went on to again use Boxsters to create this, the GT3 RS replica. Let's check that out. This is the Lamborghini Countach, so I'm going to try and get into one of these. This is how you majestically get into this car. I'm nearly in. Left leg is in, left leg, right leg's going in.
Right, that's the easy bit.
Yeah. So now we're going to majestically get out of this car. So I'm going to go a different way, I think. I'm going to go up here first. Hang on to this bar here. I'm out. Check out these Diablos. Of course, the gorgeous Countach. So we saw earlier in the video the GT3 RS that was based on a Boxster. This is the actual car, and this is the company that make them, New Dimensions. Let's take a look at these. So there we go, YouTube. That was just a quick video on the Stoneleigh Kit Car Show, where obviously you can see cars like this, which are Ferrari replicas, and many other types of replicas. And also, you can maybe hear behind me, you can go do a bit of screeching around in a car, so to scare the life out of you if you want to. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you did like this video, give me the thumbs up, and don't forget to follow me on Fun to Drive Cars. I'll put up a link down at the bottom there so you can subscribe. Till the next time, take care.